We're on the progressive squat. That's good. Okay. One more after this. Oh, okay. One more. All the way. All the way. Go, 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 go. Oh, yes.
Oh, man.
You get too bad here. Because it's pretty much, see, when it's over here, there's no weight. This hasn't added anything. It's just that.
That's crazy.
But as it gets closer, so get it where you feel comfortable, and then there, see? Don't forget to breathe. There you go. This is where you start to realize weight's coming your way. Oh, there you go, there you go. There it is. Good one. Oh, don't buzz the gut. Okay, 2 more. Oh, there it is. Last one.
Good job.
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
Oh.
The other way.
Well, that's what you do a deadlift. It gets easy, deadlift.
Right.
You start here, and then as you get back further, it gets harder to lift.
Yeah.
You tell me when.
Go, go. Next time we move it though. Okay, go. Two more. There it is, last one. Christmas is like on a whole nother level.
Yeah,
Round
the
2.
community we live in has a tar.
Come on, Kevin. You got it. Good push, come on.
Man.
Good, get it, come on. Come on. Good. Come on, Kevin. Good push, come on, push through.
One more. One more.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Get it, get it, get it! Good lot. Nice work, buddy. Nice work.
I think there is a Pascal.
Good set.
Oh.
Good job.
Oh. Oh. Oh man.
You got it. Good push. Good.
Do it, look easy.
Good.
Oh!
One more, buddy. One more after this.
Oh! All the way. All the way. Go, 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 go. Oh,
Get it.
oh, he does it. Wow.
Oh.
Oh.
Gotta work a little bit more. I can't get up. All right, man, come on.
There you go.
Good job. Come on, Josh.
Man.
Good push, good push.
Good,
man. Come
doing
on.
good.
Long leg.
Oh! Oh!
You got it.
Push.
Oh, you got it! Second effort gets it.
One more.
All the way in, hold on. All the way in.
That's not happening.
Hey, Mr. Steve. Easy way, easy way.
Keep it up nice.
Whoa! All the way.
There's a blueberry.
Here goes a blueberry.